Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the front hair and make it into 3 sections. Now start braiding your hairs very nicely and gently and then tie it with the rubber band. Now take the remaining hairs and start doing as shown in the video. Do the whole process until it will look like this. Now take your remaining hairs, tie it nicely and start braiding until it will look like this. Now tie it with the rubber band and then roll it as it will look like a bun. Attach some accessories and it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one, take your hairs and then start taking small sections of your hairs and start braiding it all together. Repeat the process nicely and gently by taking the smaller sections of your hairs from up to down as it will look like the fishtail. Now repeat the whole process as it will start looking like this. Take your remaining hairs and make it into a fishtail and it's all done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and make 3 sections out of it. Now start braiding your hairs from that sections from up to down as shown in the video. Tie it very nicely and gently and then tie it with the rubber band. Now make it pull as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and attach it. Now make 2 sections out of it and do it as shown in the video. Make a small bun out of it, attach it with the clips and it's all done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and make 3 sections out of it. Now start braiding it as it will look like this. Now repeat the whole process as shown in the video by taking the smaller sections of your hairs and braid it nicely and gently on the upside of it. Now repeat the whole process until it will comes to the end and then tie it very nicely as it will look like this. Now do it till the end and tie it with the rubber band. Now pull it nicely and gently with your hands. Take the upper braid and attach it. It's done. Take the section of your hair and tie it with the rubber band. Now pull it inside out and tighten. Now take another section and do it as shown in the video. Now repeat the process on the another side too. Now take all 3 sections, tie it together and then take remaining hairs, tie it with the rubber band and pull it inside out. Now tie it very nicely and do it as shown in the video as it will look like this. Then tie the ponytail and it's all done. For this, take half sections of your hairs and then tie it very nicely with the help of a rubber band. Now, take your ponytail and then make 2 sections out of it and 3 on the each side and tie it with the rubber band. Now, take one section and pull it inside out. Now, take another section and then pull it inside out as it will look like this. Now, repeat the whole process on all 6 sections of your hairs until it will start looking like this. Now, bring it all together and tie it with the rubber band nicely and gently and it's all done. It is looking nice. For the next one, take 2 sections of your hairs, then take 3 sections on each side. Now, start braiding your hair very nicely and gently on the upside by taking the smaller sections of your hairs. Repeat the whole process as shown in the video. Be very careful while doing it and be sure to take only smaller sections of your hairs. Now, repeat the whole process nicely and gently until it will come to the bottom of the head. Now, take the remaining hairs and keep braiding your hairs as shown in the video. Repeat the whole process nicely as it will comes to the end and then tie it with the rubber band. It's all done. It's nice, right? For next one in the video, take the half section of your hair and tie it very nicely and securely with the help of a rubber band as it will look like the half ponytail. Now take the hairs and then start pulling the small strings on the upside and then make it into 2 parts and then start rolling your hairs as shown in the video and then tie it with the rubber band and start pulling your hairs nicely and gently. Now make a small bun out of it as shown in the video and attach it with the rubber band nicely and gently and it's all done. It is cute, right? Thanks for watching.